going to do. Yesterday we talked about graphing in intercept form.
I don't remember.
When it looked like this. What you did for homework and what we just went over. And y'all seemed to take to that pretty well, right?
Yeah.
Initially, we kind of got frustrated as we looked at it, but then as we worked through, we found it was really a fairly easy form to graph in. So now you can graph in this form. And way back at the last test, we learned to graph in what form?
Slope intercept.
No, we're talking about quadratics. Standard. That's absolutely right. Standard. All right. So today, huh? Yes. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take a standard form equation. We're going to make it look like an equation in intercept form, and then we're going to graph it based on the intercepts, okay? Now, yesterday several of you told me, how do you think you can get from standard form to intercept form? Yeah, look at it. Look at this to this.
Well, the way you get that different standard form to what?
To intercept form.
You do what we did yesterday.
No, if they don't give it to you in intercept form, if I give you a look at the way it looks on the board.
He ain't looking, that's wrong.
He's not.
Hey, Bo. Hey, Bo.
Okay.
You better say your dang on business.
You go ahead and put it forward. Oh.
All right. How do we get from standard form to intercept form? No, tell me again, DeAndre. Tell me. How do we do it? What do we do?
You done made me forget now.
Look at this one. Look at this one. Take what you know. There's variables in it, but that's okay. How do we make something that looks like ax squared plus bx plus c look like this at the top? What is that? What have we done to it?
Distribute? No.
Backwards distribute is what? What's backwards distribute?
Please excuse my dear Aunt Shannon, but this size.
It starts with an F. Factoring. Thank you, Amaya. Factoring.
Thank you, Amaya. At least somebody paying attention.
You ain't even got the right answer.
All right, factor. So this is going to give us practice factoring and graphing, which is what our test is on Thursday.
Man, bro.
So let me show you an example.
I wasn't here though.
You got that?
Yes.
Now, hold on.
Okay.
What's the title on these?
Changing form.
So how many forms are we learning for this test?
For this test, 1. But for all of chapter 1, whenever you have your cumulative chapter 1 test, there'll be 3 forms.
But it seems like we done learned 30 things.
This is like, we're basically doing the same thing. We learned how to factor the first day we were on this lesson. And then we learned how to factor and graph yesterday.
Factor and
It's all
solve.
gonna come together, I feel it.
It is. It's fixing to all come together. All right.
Hey, look at you gotta go.
Take a look at this equation. Now before we would go through and graph this, we would have to find the vertex opposite b over 2a, easy point, and so on. And we could still graph it like that. But what I want you to think about is I want you to think about how we can change this to make it look like intercept form. Okay? So in other words, just this part right here. How could we make that look like intercept form?
The 2, you put it in parentheses and you put x. Minus, I don't know, you can put it in parentheses, right? And then put the 2, x squared in parentheses.
Look back. How do we get from standard form to intercept form? Factor it. In Algebra 2, if you ever don't know the answer, try factor. It's probably going to work. All right, look at this. What are my steps to factoring? The first thing I want to do is check for a what? GCF. Does it have one? No. Is it any type of special pattern? No, 12's not a perfect square, right? All right. What are my signs going to look like?
Negative and positive. Minus.
Mixed, but exactly, because the second sign is a minus. So let's set it up. What goes in the first box?
X squared then 12 in the top.
Negative 12. So mixed signs, what multiplies to negative 12 but adds to negative 1?
4, 3 times 4.
Which one's negative? 4. Is anybody confused here?
No, say what you just said.
I
Yes?
thought they were, if they were both negative, let's say.
Say what you just said.
If the second sign is minus, you have mixed signs, always.
Why would we use?
Because, okay, I need mixed signs. I need them to multiply to negative 12x squared, but they have to add to negative 1x. Yes.
Man, this is a repeat of last week.
It is. It is. So watch. What's the GCF?
1x.
1x,
How about here?
3,
How about here?
2. I mean 1x.
And here?
4.
Negative 4. Now look what happened. I didn't touch the y, I didn't touch anything on the left side of the equation, but on the right side of the equation, I have changed it now to x plus 3, x minus 4. That's what I started with. The green equation is what I was given. And now I've rewritten it to be the white equation. Now, look at the white equation. Do you agree that it's now in intercept form? Tell me where it crosses the x-axis. Negative 3. Yes. You want me to slow down a second? Yep. So now, y'all said graphing in vertex form was easy, and somebody just asked, can I just put every standard form in intercept form and go from there and graph so I don't have to graph in standard? And that would be nice, but everything's not factorable, okay? The ones you do today, they will all be factorable, yes. All right, so now I need to find the vertex. Lexi, is it coming together for you? You said you had a feeling it was all fixing to come together. Is it coming together for you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. All right, let's average them together.
4, negative 3 plus 4 divided by 2, so 1/2.
Tyler's favorite fractions.
Oh.
And then you're going to plug it back in. 3.5 and 3.5.
Plug it back in. It doesn't matter which one you plug it in. I'm going to plug it in the factored one since that's what we've been using. 1/2 plus 3. 1/2 minus 4. 3.5 times negative 3.5 is what?
It was 2. Oh.
9, 10.
You like 12.
Yes.
Can I do it on the board?
Negative,
Well, it doesn't have the number in front this time. This time it's just 3.5 times 3.5.
negative 10, I swear.
Negative 12.5.
Was it? Yeah, all the Spanish speaking kids up there must be.
Yes. All right, let me just put my vertex on here so we know that it's finished.
Wait a minute, player.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and a little bit past.
It was fighting.
Somebody's phone is gonna get
I'll record you. Go. You're being recorded. All right, talking spirit Joseph Jim.
Getting used to it.
Be a YouTuber.
Hold on.
Is it not working? Oh, hold on. All right. All right, now you're being recorded. Now it should be working. There you go.
So I'm going to go ahead and put my little box thing in here.
Yeah, what's the factor and solve homework? That's all.
It's not calibrated though. Okay.
You got that from?
Take one.
This is important.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead and stop, because it's not calibrated.
Yeah, do it again.
Okay.
Here, you know what? It's recording. How about press pause?
Just give it a second, it'll start blinking. That's all.
Okay.
Can you do a different color?
Alright,
Okay, so I'm go ahead and put my 1 next to right there. Don't mind my 1. That's how I do it. Okay.
that's fine. Some other people like to do it that way too.
I do it that way as well.
DeAndre.
You skipping stuff.
No, I'm not.
That's just not.
Why aren't there other two in there then?
Cause I didn't feel like putting it because I already know which one I'm gonna use.
Alright, go ahead.
She's recording.
This is so
Alright.
sloppy.
GCF up and over.
It's gonna make me unsubscribe to your page, Miss McGee.
I probably won't be able to sleep tonight thinking about that.
Oh.
Even bigger.
6, that was 6.
You talk to me.
Okay. Just making sure. No.
1.
Dang.
1X.
Did it confuse you
It's
because
a -6 and a -6.
Just the way she set it up, just confused me.
It's going.
I won't make you finish crafting this whole thing. I'll let you just find the zeros of it and stop. There you go. That's absolutely right. So where does this thing cross the x-axis?
-6 and -6.
Can I get this one homework I'm
So
missing?
if it crosses at the same place, what does that mean?
That means that.
If it only has one x-intercept, what does that mean?
That means
Perfect.
What's the only situation that it could only have one x-intercept? If what sat on the x-axis?
0.
you're
I understand that.
Your vertex.
Okay.
All right, Lacey, you don't have to finish crafting that if you don't want to.
I'll just do
Okay.
that.
nobody's ever even got to draw me on the honest. I'm talking, Miss McGee, you should have saw it. I would wear that. You can hear his forehead.
Yeah, hold on. Don't wake him up like that, Miss McGee.
It's a -6 and a -6.
Yeah.
It's 2 -6.
Oh, that was Mr. G. I thought somebody else was.
All right,
Which? Wait. Hold on.
Yeah.
Which? I'm almost
it's
now.
-6 because you changed the sign. It's
Oh.
only got
Okay. Yeah. I
one this
forgot.
time. I kind of tricked you on this one. That's why I said you didn't have to finish.
But I want to try at least. Oh yeah.
I was hoping you were that.
All right, so look, if you encounter something like this, let me just show you quickly. Understand -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is my vertex. So I'm gonna have to pick an easy point and reflect and connect.
Yeah, is it the second or the third?
Hello, Mama.
Miss McGee?